a girl talk video comparison. We get the ick, respect yourself, period, cramps. Like you need to get checked, panic attacks, spot our fake friend, online dating. So my story with this is ki wake up in the morning and feel the positive vibes. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Mihika. I'm 21 years old and this is going to be a girl talk video. Okay, this one. Love Pink. What are your thoughts on splitting the bill versus the guy paying in full on a date? My thoughts are, personally, it's always 50-50. I've crossed everything out, fat loser who does not fit in her own clothes. Next, do you think the groom not crying during the bride's entrance is a red flag? He's crying. Like, I will make him cry. But yeah, if the groom does not cry, you're too sensitive, or you cry too much, you feel too much. You know, girls are too much, basically. You're not. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Mihika. I'm 21 years old and this is going to be a girl talk video. This is, I think, the third गर्ल टॉक वीडियो मेरे चैनल. इससे पहले मैंने किया था जब मैंने अपना रूम भी ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं किया था. सो आई थिंक इट्स बिन मोर देन अ ईयर, बट टाइम हैज पास्ड. आई हैव ग्रोन. मे बी आई फील द सेम वे अबाउट सम थिंग्स, मे बी आई डोंट फील द सेम वे अबाउट थिंग्स, आई डोंट नो. मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे एक क्वेश्चन स्टिकर डाला था. उसमें आई आस्क्ड यू गाइज फॉर एनी थॉट्स, बिलीव्स, टॉपिक्स यू वांट मी टू टॉक अबाउट, एनी क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव फॉर मी. सो योर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो हैड सो मच वैरायटी. तो I'm going to cover all of them. It's going to be all over the place. Let's start. Okay, this one. I used to hate pink few years back due to stereotypical society issues, but I again love pink. Is that a problem? Love you too. And that is clearly not a problem. Teenage में even I was that way. You know, हमें black हमारा favorite color हो जाता है because we want to be cool like that, and हमें लगता है कि oh my god, pink is so girly and I'm cool. It is the opposite of a problem. It is such a good thing that pink is cool again, and I clearly love pink. Cover का color भी देख लीजिए. What are your thoughts on splitting the bill versus the guy paying in full on a date? My thoughts are, personally, it's always 50-50. इसमें again I think बहुत सारे school of thoughts है कि some girls think that whoever has asked the other person out on a date has to pay, which is, I mean, each to their own, but I feel like no matter who asks who on a date, it should always be split. Like, I could never have an expectation ki the guy will pay in full. Anyways, no judgment to anybody who thinks otherwise. Next, my subconscious believes that I am not good looking, smart enough, and just an ugly dumbass. I hate that you've spoken about yourself like that, but I'm sure you've been made to feel that way, or you just feel that way khud se. I'm gonna give you a live proof ki whatever is in your subconscious can be reprogrammed, and it's not how you'll always be. This is so fresh on top of my mind because I recently made a video on nostalgia, and usme I went through my memory box and I found my old journal. Ek second. So this is my old journal, and ये मैंने लिखी है, like the entries are from 2016. I won't get into detail in all of them, but I'll show you one page. So on 28th October 2016, apparently, I started writing a diary entry, and this is what I've done in the middle of it. This is what I've done in the middle of the entry. I've crossed everything out, fat loser who does not fit in her own clothes. This is the way I was feeling, and this is the way I used to see myself. But now, coming back to the happy part, now it's not even an option to, you know, talk to myself like that. And that is what a period of time of telling yourself nice things, of working on yourself can do for you. You can easily change every thought about yourself. You can change the way you view yourself. Next, do you think the groom not crying during the bride's entrance is a red flag? 110%. Like, when I imagine it, he's crying. You know, the groom is crying, and in some universe or some other reality he does not cry. Like I will make him cry, you know वो जो Friends में episode है जिसमें Monica is trying to give like a very emotional speech so that her parents cry. That's going to be me. Actually no.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
खुद से आना चाहिए. मेरे बोलने की वैसे रोने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, फिर तो मतलब मेरा एकदम ही मूड ऑफ हो जाएगा. बट या इफ द ग्रूम डज नॉट क्राई, या तो वो बहुत ही उसके चेहरे पे खुशी दिख रही होनी चाहिए. वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो. I really love my best friend, but sometimes I feel like she's hurt me too much. Like she used to leave me out, etc. Help. Now I don't really know the whole situation, तो मैं exact चीजें नहीं बता सकती, but I feel like making someone feel left out is my worst nightmare, to be very honest, because I know how it feels like, so I would never go out of my way and make somebody else feel like that. But I also believe that people can change. अगर you're hurt from this and she's done this very long back, like बहुत time हो चुका है, and you feel like she has redeemed herself, I feel like you can move past that. But if you feel like कि उसने उसको अच्छे से acknowledge नहीं किया, उसने अपने उस behavior को dismiss किया है, तो you should really, you know, या तो discuss it with her or step back. Period cramps. Guys, you know, wait. I am literally supposed to get my period today. I'm supposed to get them today, waiting for them to come, waiting for them to pass. The good thing is that they will pass, and I know it's painful, but we can handle it. Eat good food and hot water bag. How to deal with the constant cycle of comparison. This is something which I have also struggled with recently. I've also talked about it in my vlogs. But the thing that really helps me not compare myself is going back to the fact that literally all of us are so different. All of us have so much personality of our own to discover कि we don't need to look at somebody else's personality or somebody else's material things and compare your own, because your start line is not the same. Your finish line will never be the same. Nobody has lived your life. Nobody will live your life. And एक और चीज जो मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगी, जो मैंने recently सुनी है, कि किसी और को ज्यादा मिल गया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारे हिस्से का चला गया. You know, there is space for you. There is space for everyone to succeed. ये चीज हमें याद करते रहनी पड़ेगी. I know it's tough. I know हमारा पूरा environment ही प्रोग्राम हो रहा है for us to compare ourselves to somebody else's life each and every day. मतलब I know it's tougher than ever. Okay, next. Well, you just posted a reel that moms spot fake friends at the beginning, which is 100% true. Share your story. So yeah, basically मैंने एक reel डाली थी that moms always spot our fake friends हमसे पहले, before we can see it, and they're always mostly right. So my story with this is कि I'm a very obedient kid. Like मेरे जैसा आज्ञाकारी बच्चा. So I had this friend in middle school who was my friend. I really liked her. But मेरी मम्मा को उसमें एक बड़ा सा रेड फ्लैग दिखता था उसकी कुछ चीज़ों की वजह से, जो मेरे को भी दिखती थी थोड़ी थोड़ी. But I was like कोई बात नहीं. But मेरी मम्मा ने कहा कि you should like stop, like थोड़ा सा control talking to her, या अपने आप को थोड़ा detach कर. और मैं ऐसी थी कि भाई मम्मा ने मना किया है और मम्मा ने बोल दिया है कि नहीं बैठना इसके साथ या नहीं करना, तो मैंने अगले दिन से उसके साथ बैठना ही बंद कर दिया. हमारी दोस्ती टूट गई. बहुत टाइम तक मेरे को ऐसा लगता रहा कि या मैंने गलत किया, मेरी दोस्ती भी टूट गई और मेरे को तो उसका फ्रेंड होना था. मैंने मम्मा की बात मानने की वजह से अपने आप को डिस्टेंस कर लिया. आई विश वो मेरी फ्रेंड होती. मेरे को ऐसा बहुत टाइम तक लगता रहा. But in retrospect, now after so many years have passed, and now when I see that friend, I'm like thank God, मम्मा एकदम सही थी and मेरा ऐसा कुछ loss हुआ नहीं because I listened to her पहले. And when are you going to meet us? Guys, you know there is a meet and greet happening for my Delhi people on 5th April in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Social Nation. मेरा एक meet and greet का slot है. It's so weird. मैं पिछले वीडियो में बोलती थी that I'm definitely going to do a meet and greet. ये personally like privately मैंने host नहीं किया है, but I do have a slot. There are going to be other creators also as well, but you can come to meet me, please come. Like before this was final, I asked on my story that if I do a meet and greet in Delhi, how many of you will be interested? And so many of you, hundreds of you, almost 1,000 replied to my story that yes, you will be interested and yes, you will come to meet me. Some of you who don't even live in Delhi, you were like ki I'll be traveling from Bangalore, I'll be traveling from Calcutta, I will travel from Jaipur by road. Guys, ये वाले meet and greet के लिए don't travel इतना because the slot is going to be limited. I will also, you know, now that I see the response, I will also arrange a meet and greet of my own. I have such a fun idea. उसको थोड़ा feel worthy के साथ भी करके. That is going to be fun. I'm going to make it happen sometime in the future. So yeah, but anyways, if you're in Delhi, come meet me. How to deal with back bitchers. Guys, the thing about back bitchers, they're at the back. They will always be behind you. Wow. Thoughts on Hinge and all like online dating. For me, if you're asking personally, I have not been on one. I will never be on one. Like मेरा वहाँ पे क्या काम? But these apps are doing huge business, so I'm sure they work for some people. If you're going there with the correct intentions, I hope you find someone also on the other side who has correct intentions and good intentions. Don't share any risky business of yours. Don't share your personal information. Like, not to sound like your mother, but please don't compromise your safety just to find someone. But if you do find someone, if you have, you know, there are so many success stories also, that will be the best case scenario actually. Okay, so next someone has sent like इतने सारे questions की एक image. If you could only wear one outfit style for the rest of your life, what would it be? T-shirt or shorts? If you could change one beauty standard, what would it be? There are so many existing stereotypes जो बस थोप दी जाती हैं on girls and then we're just expected to live up to those. For example, you know, having no hair, no body hair, or no facial hair, it's like a prerequisite. Okay, for hygiene purposes, of course, but a little bit just because you grew out some. Again, if you can shame something as natural as having body hair, there is something like you need to get checked. Why do boys act so interested in the start, but when we show some interest, their interest just drops? You know, this might be true for some boys, but I can also tell you this, it is also true for some girls. So we can't really pinpoint ऐसा कि ऐसे ये boys ऐसा करते हैं. I think काफी girls भी होती है, ऐसा होता है, you know. For girls, the term is we get the ick. छोटी छोटी चीजों से हमें भी ick आ जाते हैं, हम irritate हो जाते हैं. But मेरे को लगता है कि if both the people are genuinely interested, they will find a way to show their interest and work through their icks. Next, someone has sent topics to talk about: detachment, self-love, and healing. So basically, as someone who's just 21, and I'm sure I will have so many takes on these topics across the coming years. Right now, what I feel like I know about all of these are that everything comes down to self-love. I think detachment again comes down to self-love. You can only be good at detaching yourself from situations and people. You can only do that when you love yourself and you respect yourself enough to detach yourself and to know कि I deserve better. This type of energy has no space whatsoever in my life. What is the ultimate girly essential that you cannot live without? I think a comb. Yeah, if we really practically think about it, I won't be able to live without a comb. Rubber bands. Yeah, but ये तो एकदम ही hair related हो गए. Moisturizer. I don't know if it's girly enough, but moisturizer. Okay, so this is a boy जिसने ये बोला है. I want to talk to a person and I ran out of topics. Not completely, but like what should I talk about? I still want to talk. I get the feeling. So I think all of us should help him out. Like you can comment down what topic should you talk about, because I don't think I'm that interesting. Maybe you can, you know, Google पे ना ऐसे questions, if you search on questions to ask your friends or whatever, ऐसे questions आते हैं, तो you can maybe turn it into a game and do okay, you ask me a question or I'll ask you a question when you're actually out of topics. वैसे तो कुछ ना कुछ निकल ही आता है, meme भेज दो या whatever, but do that on your own risk, because जब भी हमने ये try किया है like साथ में questions वाला game खेलना, it 98% of the times ends with us fighting. Are period stains in public something which is embarrassing? It's unfortunate, but it's not embarrassing, it's something which is natural, you did not mean for it to happen. तो इसमें embarrass होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है, but इसके लिए maybe you can just keep some precautions, or you can just tell your friend to check bag नीचे कर लो अगर कोई bag है तो you know ऐसे कर सकते हैं, but nothing to be embarrassed about, it's very natural, you're a girl, like nobody is judging you. I don't think like a good person won't judge you for having a period stain that obviously you did not mean to have. Do you think I should get my ears pierced like you? I low-key wanna, but I don't know if it will suit me. Love ya. But of course, like you can get your ears pierced. I love ऐसी कुछ भी combination बना के stacking my earrings. मेरे को थोड़ा put together feel होता है, and I really like it. So you can definitely go ahead with that. I'm sure they'll look good on you, but वही देख लेना कि how do you want to get them pierced. I think cartilage जब involve होता है तो उस पर pain होता है, मैंने आज तक उस पर नहीं किया है. एक second. Okay, how do you get over panic attacks? So basically, I would not also be, you know, answering this question if I hadn't had one myself. I have had a panic attack once. In like now I know कि वो एक panic attack था, तब I had no idea कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. I just could not breathe. मतलब बड़ा ही अजीब सा, it was like nothing I had ever experienced before. I could not breathe. I felt like just out in the open. Like I could not even sleep alone that night in my room. I'm not the right person to answer this, but because I've had an experience, I'm just telling you कि वो मेरा दिन, वो मेरा experience कैसे हुआ था. मैं सो गई थी. Just after that, like speaking to someone you love, or you can share that with them after a point of time, whenever you feel comfortable sharing that with someone you love might help. Okay, next, guilt of not liking a good guy back. It doesn't matter if it's a good guy or a bad guy. If you don't like them, you don't have to feel guilty. But if it's just a case of I like bad boys, let me stop you right there. This is not a WhatsApp getting Wattpad फैन फिक्शन, तो इससे नहीं होगा बैड बॉय गुड गर्ल वाली वाइब पता नहीं क्या, बैड बॉय गुड गर्ल. What's one thing every girl should know before getting into a relationship? First, you don't have to do anything that you don't want to do even in a relationship. Number two, if you really like the person, you need to work through your icks, because trust me, you could be letting go of something amazing just because of an ick. I have always been more close with my guy friends than my girls. How can I get more close with my girlies? I actually am not able to personally relate to this, so I don't really know what to tell you. I have always been someone जिसकी ज़्यादा लड़कियां दोस्ती रही हैं, एंड आई डोंट नो, अपने आप लाइक किसी से वाइब मैच हो गई तो हो गई टाइप्स, लाइक एंड ओवर शेयर तो मेरे से हो ही जाता है. आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स स्टूपिड सिली क्वेश्चंस, टॉक अबाउट शोज और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बुक्स, recommend each other things. Next, how to stop caring about what people think and their opinion. I know it's tough, I know it gets to you sometimes, it will get to you a lot of times, but you need to push through and remind yourself of certain things. Are they writing your exams for you? Are they living your life? Do they know your circumstances? Do they know your full story? They don't. So at the end of the day, they have no real power or control on your life. And also keep whatever people think, their opinions have nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with their thoughts, their thought process, their insecurities, their limiting beliefs. कहाँ का अपना whatever experience कहाँ किस पे project कर रहा है, किस तरीके से निकाल रहा है. It has everything to do with them and nothing to do with you. Even if the opinions of others have some truth to them, like even if there is some value or there is some improvement that you can take from them, do that. But अगर वो चीज़ एक disrespectful way में कही गई है, भाई तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स, तुम्हारे लव्ड वंस, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स तुमसे वैसे नहीं बात करते, तो देयर इज नो वे यू विल एक्सेप्ट दैट काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियर फ्रॉम एनीबडी एल्स. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू कीप योर सेल्फ ऑलवेज अप एंड अबाउट विद अ स्माइल? आई डू स्माइल, बट आई ऑल्सो क्राई अ लॉट, which is completely fine. You don't have to always be smiling, but of course you should be looking for reasons to smile. You know, with girls, something that is said to us more often than not is you're too sensitive, or you cry too much, you feel too much. You know कि girls are too much basically. You're not. We all must wake up in the morning, and feel the positive vibes. Okay, I want to end this video on a note where I want to tell you to listen to this song called Most Girls by Hailey Steinfeld. She's the actress in Pitch Perfect. So yeah, it is the theme of this whole video and I have loved that song since school. Most girls work hard, go far, we are unstoppable. Comment most girls in the comment section of this video if you made it till here. Okay, bye. Love you.